In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in TradingView 2025, step by step. Whether you're saving a setup for your journal, sending a chart to a friend, or posting analysis online, TradingView makes it quick and consistent. And I'll walk you through every option so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. First, open TradingView and navigate to the chart you want to capture. Make sure the chart shows exactly what you want to share: your time frame, indicators, drawings, and any notes. Anything visible on the chart area will appear in the screenshot, so it's a good moment to tidy things up or zoom to the exact view you want. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart and click the camera icon labeled Take a Screenshot. When you click it, a small menu will appear with several choices, each designed for a slightly different use case. Choose Download Image if you want a file saved directly to your computer. This is perfect for archiving or uploading to places that require a file. After selecting it, your system will prompt you to pick a location. Choose your folder, confirm the file name if needed, and click Save. You'll now have a high-quality image you can attach to emails, reports, or posts. Select Copy Image if you want to paste the chart immediately into another app. This option places the screenshot on your clipboard so you can jump to a document, chat, or slide deck and press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac to paste. It's ideal when you don't need a separate file and just want to move fast. Pick Copy Link if you prefer sharing a direct link to the screenshot. TradingView will generate a shareable URL that anyone with the link can open in their browser, which is convenient for quick collaboration. Keep in mind that the link previews what's visible on your chart at the moment you captured it. Choose Open in New tab to see the captured image in a separate browser tab. From there, you can preview it, zoom in, and right-click to save if you decide you want a file after all. It's a simple way to verify your screenshot before sharing. Finally, Tweet Image opens Twitter so you can post the chart straight to your feed. It launches a compose window with the image ready to go, making social sharing fast and easy. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.